Hello everyone, this is Pauline Angel, URK20CS1015 from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, KARUNYA. In this video, I'm going to explain you the automation testing on web pages using Selenium for software engineering. So let's get started. So for this, first we need to go to the Chrome and check whether our Chrome browser is up to date. So for this, we have to check for the version. So the version which is currently being using for this Chrome is 95. So if your Chrome is not updated, it's better to get updated. So we can download it manually. You can update it manually, or otherwise, if it is not up to date, then here you will get an option to get it updated. So you can do it. After updating or after checking whether your Google Chrome is up to date or not, then you have to download a zip file, which is Chrome driver. So for this, we can also go to the you can also go to the page and we'll just write like Chrome driver download for Selenium, or there will be different types of websites where in which you can download the Chrome driver for your particular Chrome. So otherwise, for some Chrome drivers which is up to date even more for your particular software, then it will automatically be downloaded when you update your Google Chrome. So after downloading that zip file, you will get it in your downloads, where it shows like this Chrome driver of Windows 32. So when you open this, you'll get a lot of applications inside this particular Chrome driver. So all we have to do is we have to just go to our folder in which we are going to do this particular program or save all the files in it. So I have created a particular folder called experiment 9, in which I have copied and pasted that Chrome driver zip file here in this folder. So after doing this, from now on, we'll be using this particular path file. So we are just making it sure that we have kept it in a specific folder. So when I open this folder, I have this Chrome driver zip file. So after downloading this zip file, now we have to go and see for the Selenium browser. So for the Selenium Java browser, it's not a browser, it's a Selenium version of Java in which you can test different kind of things. So for that, again, we have to go to the Chrome, and then we can download Selenium WebDriver for Chrome. So here we have different kinds of sites again in which you can download Selenium. So the best is to go with the main Chrome driver. Here I have downloaded the Chrome driver, and this is for the Selenium. So here the main page for the Selenium will be here, and this there will be different kinds of versions, like if we are going to use Java, then we can have this Java, or if you are doing with Python, we can go with the Python or JavaScript, etc. So for this particular experiment, we have used Java. So for this, I have downloaded the Java version of Selenium. So here again, I have given the this is a zip file, and this is the unzipped file. I mean, I have extracted all the files from this Java zip file, and then Selenium Java zip file, and then I have created another extracted file in which all the applications inside this Selenium Java will be appearing. So these are all executable jar files in which we will be importing again in our Java IDE. So this is the library in which we have different kinds of extensions. We will be importing all these in our Java file again, Java IDE again. So before we go into this, we have to, since we have used Chrome driver first we are going to create a page in web browser, which will be implemented with HTML. So we have this HTML code here. So with this we can create a web page for the using this HTML code. So for that, I'm going to save this particular code in a notepad file so that it will be used for the implementation. So um, I have I have downloaded this HTML code particular text file into a notepad text file, and then I have installed, or I have even more like switched on the IS start, which will be using for the uh, implementation of HTML codes. So for this is a particular Chrome HTML document in which it gives us access to create different kinds of HTML pages for our web browsers. So using that, since I have downloaded this HTML document or HTML text file, since I have this feature on, it has converted it into a Chrome HTML document. The one that I have, uh, yes, I have created a HTML document. I mean, the code which we have here is to create an online banking solutions here. So I have implemented this in the HTML using HTML code, and have stored it in a text file. So since we have installed Chrome driver, and since I have switched on my feature for Chrome HTML documents, it is giving access for this particular code to convert this into a web page. So after conversion, it will be appearing as online banking solution. This page will be created. So now let's give this another path, which will be having like localhost. So if even after changing the path, if it is getting implemented, then it is assured that we have given the correct HTML code. So using that HTML code, we have created a web page, and now we are going to check it using the Java IDE. So we'll just open the Java IDE, and then before that we can have our Java code here. I have this Java code to test whether the Selenium packages which we have installed are giving correct information into the web page or not. So to test whether the web page is working properly or not, we are going to check it using this particular um, Java code. So let's go and see. Yeah, so I have created another project. It's another project called Experiment 9, in which I'm having a default package. In default package, I have created a, a class called testing, in which I have pasted the code which I have shown earlier. So this particular testing code is being is imported in all these files. Here I have imported different kinds of Selenium packages, so that using all these, this particular testing will be done on the file which we are going to give. So before going into this testing program or testing code, first, since we have downloaded our Selenium zip file for this particular testing code, we just have to import all these files we have extracted from the zip file. So I'll go to this experiment 9 package, and then I'll go to the properties, and there is a option called Java build path. In this, I'm going to select this class path, and here there are different kinds of options like add external JARs or add JARs or variable library, etc. So using this add external JARs, I'm going to add this lib first the lib file, in which I have different kinds of inbuilt inbuilt operations or inbuilt packages. So if I just select these all, and if I say open, then automatically all these files will be added into this class path. So I have already added, so I'm not going to add it again. And later again I'm going to click this, and since we have already added library files, so I'm not going to touch this file again, folder again. And then the remaining ones which we have here, all these we can open again. So after adding all this, we'll just have to click apply and close, so that the particular file will be able to access. So we here we have to give a web drivers, I mean the Chrome driver, which we have pasted in a particular folder earlier before going into the Selenium. So I hope you remember when I said that I have stored this Chrome driver in a particular file. I have created a particular folder for this, and I have pasted this path here. So we just have to go to the properties, and the location we are going to just take it, and then we just have to paste it in the path file here. So here we'll be pasting our path in which we have given our Chrome driver. And after that, earlier we have seen that we have created this localhost sample HTML page. So this we are going to give in this navigate to, so that this particular file will be navigating the particular page, and then in that particular page it is going to test all these conditions, whether the status is success or fail or etc. So let's go to the web page and see. Let's give a name, Pauline, and then submit. It is not showing any output, but also it is not showing any error. So what happens if I don't give anything here and then submit? It has shown name field can be empty. So this things will be tested using this particular Java code, so that it is going to search for the particular Chrome driver, and then it goes to the localhost sample HTML file which we have created, or the page that which we have created using this HTML document, and then it is going to check for all these status like test1 or test case 2, and its status, it is success or failure. So one of the example which we have seen is the name. If we don't give anything, it is going to print name field can be empty. So this is how we can create a web page, and then we can use it using Selenium, Java Selenium. We have tested it successfully, whether the particular page is working or not. So I hope you understood this program and testing code well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.